In front of me is Doogee X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. Firstly, open Devices settings and then click on More Networks and Connections. Now tap on Connection Preferences. And finally, access printing. You can choose your default print service right away and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on blue sweater at the top. Then go back and choose Add Service. Now just pick the best one for you, install it, and then go back to the same settings. Lastly, just click on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!